Are you Muslim?
No, I'm not a Muslim yet. Why you guys fast? First thing, it's healthy, and second thing, you can put yourself in the position from people who are not getting food every day, not are blessed like us. I think we're very blessed. That's why if we experience that hunger and we experience that not eating and not drinking, it's just only like how many hours? Like maybe 15 hours, 14 hours.
Yeah.
So can you imagine people are like fasting for days if they like don't have money? So this is just a part of it.
Yeah.
So Islam, like this religion, it reminds you every time, hey, there are people outside who are even like fasting for a couple days.
Yep. Because they don't have money to buy food.
Yeah, and just so a part of it, always like a reminder.
How does it feel for you after fasting?
I feel like more spiritually connected, more happier after fasting. I love the process of fasting. I love how people are, more kind to each other, like more calm. Everything is peaceful, and of course in Ramadan, as a Muslim, you also cannot, be shouting at someone, or you have to bring peace.
Yeah.
Like peace, connection with God, and bringing peace to anybody else, helping people, maybe doing also charity. So I think it's beautiful. It's very beautiful.
Why it should be Islam? Why not other religion?
So I think my whole life I've been always like a curious person about any culture or religion. But before in Germany, I wasn't really interested to study about Islam. But since I moved to Indonesia, I saw Islam from different perspective, with a lot of love and everything. So that's why I decided to study about Islam.